Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the base campaign done and a level 20 character. This lets the Raul questline appear. Next, gather the 3 relics, Rune A, Rune B, Rune C, because Raul's dialogue checks inventory flags. Once done, update the game and back up your save. That prevents loss if something fails. Make sure autosave is off while testing, so you control when flags commit. Now move to the in-game location to trigger the first interaction. You arrive at Raul's shrine at the specified coordinates during dusk because the NPC spawn is time-gated. That's why timing matters. Start the conversation and select Dialogue Option 2 to unlock the intermediate flag, then Option 4 to open the ritual menu. Use Rune A first, then Rune B, spacing about 3 seconds, since the engine reads items sequentially. Once the sequence completes, the shrine emits a subtle particle cue. That confirms the middle trigger's register. You finish by placing Rune C into the central slot and pressing Activate. The completion requires watching the full animation to set the final flag. If Raul does not appear, immediately reload your backup save and repeat the exact sequence. Consistency is the fix. Make sure to clear cache and verify game files if flags still fail, because corrupted assets often block spawns. Finally, trigger the shrine within 5 minutes of the in-game time window to avoid TTL expiration, and Raul should unlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.